Hey YouTube, it's Easy Kid. I'm gonna do a quick video, sale video. Okay, first off is flat face G6Ds. I don't really have a use for them because I own Olipop fingerboards. They're just on a complete that I got. So here they are. Can't exactly see that, but they are great condition. Here I have a tuning kit. 2 large rip tape bushings. There's a small rip tape bushing, 3 washers, and red bushing. Here's close-up G2 white metal core wheels. They're grade from just plain wheels. It's kind of got a goldish core color. Here I have a no comply 5-ply synthetic deck. It's either 29 or 30 millimeters wide. I couldn't really tell. It's an awesome board. All the holes are drilled perfectly. Kingpin holes. Still, it sounds brand new. I've never used it. I'll try to show you the plies. Can't really see it, but it goes white, light brown, a little darker brown, purple, dark brown. I have chemistry wide trucks for sale. They are obviously wide. They're shaped amazing. If you can see that. Try to find the other one. So yeah, really nice. Comes with mounting hardware. What else do I have? Yes. In my Yellowood, I'd only be willing to trade it for a Berlinwood Graphic. It's got rip tape on top. Pretty. It's really worn in, really squishy. But yeah, it's pretty messed up too. The deck is a Yellowood A6. Try to show you the plies. Sorry, I'm using not the best camera. Really define kicks and dips and all that. It would be a deck only. It's nicely lacquered. Still great condition. So yeah, offer on that. Well, still sounds great. So yeah.